much so close you can get because they don't have any natural predators. And one of the reasons Barbuda, of all the other islands and anywhere else, because the kind of isolation that you have in this particular area. And it's flat, so you have a constant breeze blowing across, so when they fly off the nest, they just have to spread their wings
And take flight. Yeah, because they're just gliding effortlessly.
They don't come to Earth unless it's this time when they come mating season. But the bulk of the time they spend on the wing.
Gliding the air currents.
So for them to take off and land with control, aviator, you realize
Yes,
that
yes.
the reason why I have this plane.
Oh, yes.
So,
Yes.
so throughout the entire Western Hemisphere, all factors come together to create this unique place, which is why this is a sanctuary that serves all the entire unique. This is if you destroy this
This is one of the largest frigate bird colony
in the
Western Hemisphere.
and that's the reason why it's protected as a international wetland, international significance.
Why these people don't understand? Why gas not don't understand that?
Because he's just driven by money.
We only do it just to get the notoriety. Sign the escrow and the guarantees.
Right.
Signing it here, like others understanding.
Oh, this is good.
So you can understand year by year, and depending on over several years, and they'll be using a particular tree.
The return.
Will eventually die off, and so they move to a different place.
Right.
That's why they need room
Yeah, to spread.
Have they ever done like a count, like how many birds?
Yeah, every year we do counts,
Okay.
and we can tell you from 2017 to now. Before the hurricane, the count was up to I think over 5,000 nesting pairs.
Nesting
Wow,
pairs.
that's 10 birds,
10,000.
10,000. Okay, in the height of the season. That's the kind of count they do.
Wow.
Past, especially right after Irma, the numbers went way down.
They migrated.
It's beginning to
They need
build
to
back
come
up.
back up. It's now up to the 2019 count yet.
Okay.
This is just awesome.
Trying their wings or something.